Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up, use or delete a passcode on your Apple Watch SE 2nd generation. Let's get started. As a first step, we would need to open settings on our watch by clicking on this digital crown and clicking on this settings icon right here. Then scroll down until you will see this tab, which is named Passcode. Here is it. Click on it, and right now I don't have any passcode on my watch. So the first thing, I will show you how to set up a new passcode. For that, click on this button, turn passcode on. Then enter your new passcode. For example, it will be 1739. And now we need to re-enter the passcode to confirm. And in few seconds, our passcode will be successfully set up. So now let's test it. If we will turn off our watch or just let them fall asleep, after you will turn them on, you'll be able to see this little lock on the upper part of the screen. That means now your watch is locked. To unlock it, you would need to swipe up like this and enter your passcode. And that's it. Now your watch is successfully unlocked. Now let me show you how to change the passcode on your Apple Watches. For that, we will need to go to the same tab which is named Passcode on the settings, and here you'd be able to see this tab which is named Change Passcode. If we will click on it, we would need to enter our current passcode and now re-enter your new passcode 2 times. Just like this. And now the passcode has been successfully changed. And also let me show you how to set a longer passcode than only 4 digits. For that, we would need to scroll down on this tab until you will see this function named Simple Passcode. If we will disable it, we will be able to set a passcode which is longer, for example 6 digit. Now we would need to enter our current passcode, and now we can enter our new and longer passcode. For example, it will be 6 digit, and click OK, and re-enter your new passcode. And that's it! Now you have even longer passcode and your watch is more secure than ever. And now let's take a look how to remove the password from your watches. For that, we would need to still go to the same tab named Passcode on the settings, and here simply click on this Turn Passcode Off button. Click on it and enter your current passcode. And in few seconds the passcode will be removed from your watch. And that's it! I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.